Did you know that a lot of people make the same money mistakes over and over? It's true. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you've been managing your money for years, these common pitfalls can sneak up on anyone. And the worst part is, these mistakes can really mess up your finances. They can lead to stress, anxiety, and even long-term financial instability. Imagine constantly worrying about how to pay your bills or not having enough savings for emergencies. It's a tough spot to be in. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going over the 10 most common financial mistakes people make. We'll dive deep into each mistake, understand why it happens, and most importantly, how you can avoid it. Knowledge is power, and by being aware of these mistakes, you can take proactive steps to secure your financial future. This video is called 10 Common Financial Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. We'll cover everything from overspending and not budgeting to ignoring debt and failing to save for retirement. Each of these mistakes can have a significant impact on your financial health, but with the right strategies, you can overcome them. Stick around and you'll learn how to avoid these mistakes and get on the path to financial success. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to watch out for and practical tips to help you make smarter financial decisions. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment together. It's like driving with your eyes closed. A budget tells you where your money is going. Without one, you won't know how much you're spending and might end up in debt. It's super easy to make a budget. Just track your income and expenses for a month. Then, decide how much you can spend in each category. That daily latte or those new shoes might not seem like much, but they add up. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it. Could you use that money for something more important like paying off debt or investing? Remember, it's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. You never know when you might have an unexpected expense like a medical bill or car repair. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small. Even $50 a month adds up over time. Chapter 4. Credit cards can be helpful, but they can also lead to a mountain of debt. Only spend what you can afford to pay back in full each month. If you have credit card debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. High interest rates can really hurt your finances. Chapter 5. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start saving. Many people think they have plenty of time to worry about retirement later, but starting early can make a significant difference. The earlier you begin, the more you can take advantage of the power of compound interest. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest, and over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your savings. Imagine your money working for you, growing steadily year after year. That's when your interest earns interest, and it's a powerful way to build wealth. By reinvesting the interest you earn, you can significantly increase your savings without having to contribute a lot more money. This is why financial experts always stress the importance of starting early. Even small contributions to a retirement account can make a big difference over time. Consistency is key. Regular small deposits can accumulate into a substantial nest egg by the time you retire. Think of it as planting seeds that will grow into a bountiful harvest. So don't wait, start now, and give your future self the gift of financial security. Chapter 6. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your money over the long term. It can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics, and consider investing in low-cost index funds. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Chapter 7. Living paycheck to paycheck means you're constantly on edge, worried about making ends meet. It makes it hard to save or plan for the future. Create a budget, cut expenses, and find ways to increase your income. Break free from the cycle and gain financial security. Chapter 8. Insurance. Protect what matters. Life is full of surprises, and some of them can be expensive. Having insurance protects you from financial ruin in case of an accident, illness, or other unexpected events. Make sure you have adequate health, car, and renters or homeowners insurance. Chapter 9. Emotional spending. Don't let your feelings control your wallet. We've all been there, buying something to make ourselves feel better after a bad day. But emotional spending can wreck your finances. Before you buy something, take a step back and ask yourself if you really need it. Wait 24 hours before making big purchases. Chapter 10. Ask for help. Financial advice matters. You don't have to navigate the world of finance alone. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you achieve your goals. Look for a fee-only advisor who has your best interests at heart. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Outright take control of your money. Managing your finances is one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset and tools, you can turn it into a rewarding experience. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan for your financial future. Managing your money doesn't have to be scary. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or building an emergency fund, having a goal gives you a clear direction. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you want to save $1,000 in a year, aim to save about $20 a week. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. By avoiding these common mistakes and taking control of your finances, you can achieve your goals and live a more secure life. One common mistake is not tracking your spending. Use apps or spreadsheets to keep an eye on where your money is going. Another mistake is not having a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you allocate funds for necessities, savings, and even some fun. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself but about making informed choices. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's worth it. Start by opening a savings account if you don't have one. Automate your savings so a portion of your income goes directly into this account. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. Also, educate yourself about personal finance. There are countless resources available, from books to online courses that can help you become more financially literate. If you like this type of video, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Your support helps me create more content that can guide you on your financial journey. Feel free to leave comments or questions below. I love hearing from you and am here to help you navigate your financial path. Thanks for watching. Remember, taking control of your money is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep moving forward. Together we can achieve financial freedom and live the life we've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.